this is Eddie with Access Property Management. Today, a short video on how to sign up for our management services. Currently, we're on our home page. You can go to the management sign up page, hit the get started. From there, we're going to scroll down to our plans. I'm going to choose the flat rate, click the orange oval sign up here. From that screen, I'm going to enter my name and then my email. I'm gonna hit begin signing, and this will send you a link. Now I'm going to go to my email. There is my link. Go ahead and click on it. Click resume signing, and it will take you right to the DocuSign and the management contract. And right here is where you enter your code. And right there is my validation code. Put that in, validate, and our management contract is populated. It will ask you to sign. You do not need to sign if you're not ready. Just click continue, read through it, lots of pages, and reach out to us with questions. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you sign up for all our YouTube videos. Like it. We will talk to you soon. Thank you.